The 2025 Honda Fury 1300 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement on two wheels. With its aggressive chopper styling, muscular presence, and modern engineering, the new Fury brings attitude back to the streets. Honda has fused classic American custom bike DNA with Japanese precision, resulting in a motorcycle that refuses to be ignored. In a market saturated with lookalikes, the Fury is a breath of fresh fire, delivering raw power with refined performance. Let's dive deep into what makes the 2025 Honda Fury 1300 a true beast in the cruiser world. Design and styling, built to turn heads. The first thing that grabs your attention is the bold, stretched-out design. The 2025 model stays true to its chopper roots, boasting a long wheelbase, a raked front end, and an aggressively low-slung stance. The minimalist fenders, wide rear tire, and slim front will enhance the Fury's outlaw look, while chrome finishes on the exhaust, engine cases, and handlebar accents bring a touch of shine to its sinister silhouette. New for 2025, Honda has introduced a matte black variant with blood red accents, alongside classic metallic options like midnight blue and gunmetal gray. LED lighting all around modernizes the bike's appearance while keeping it functional and sleek. Engine and performance, 1,300 cubic centimeters of pure muscle. At the heart of the 2025 Fury is a liquid-cooled 1,312 cubic centimeters V-twin engine that growls with authority. Honda has fine-tuned the fuel injection system for sharper throttle response and improved mid-range torque. The result? Smooth, powerful acceleration that delivers both thrill and comfort, whether you're ripping down the highway or cruising through the city. The engine is mated to a 5-speed transmission that shifts with precision. Honda's attention to rideability means this isn't just a brute force cruiser, it's also smooth, responsive, and remarkably easy to handle, even at lower speeds. Chassis and ride quality, low and confident. The Fury rides on a stretched-out frame that emphasizes stability without sacrificing maneuverability. With a raked front fork set at 38 degrees and 4.0 inches of trail, the bike has a laid-back riding geometry perfect for highway cruising. Despite its stretched look, the Fury is surprisingly agile around corners and city traffic. The rear monoshock, adjustable for preload, absorbs road imperfections well, giving a plush ride. A wide, padded seat offers day-long comfort, and the low seat height of just under 27 inches ensures that riders of all sizes can easily plant their feet at stops. Braking and safety, smooth control at all speeds. The 2025 Honda Fury comes equipped with a large 336mm front disc and a 296mm rear disc, delivering dependable stopping power. For the first time, Honda has added optional ABS to the Fury, a welcome update that adds confidence in wet or unpredictable road conditions. Thanks to Honda's refined braking system, the bike doesn't just stop quickly, it stops smoothly. Whether you're easing into a stop at a light or hitting the brakes hard during an emergency maneuver, the response is balanced and reassuring. Technology and features, classic meets contemporary. While the Fury maintains its minimalist charm, Honda has introduced subtle tech upgrades to enhance the ride. A new digital-analog hybrid instrument cluster includes a digital speedometer, gear indicator, and fuel consumption display, while retaining the traditional analog tachometer. The lighting system is now fully LED, including a sleeker, brighter headlamp for better night visibility. USB-C charging has also been integrated under the seat, perfect for riders who need to stay connected or navigate with their smartphones on long trips. Customization and accessories, make it your own. As with any cruiser, the 2025 Honda Fury is built for personalization. Honda offers a wide range of factory accessories, from custom seats and sissy bars to saddlebags and windshields. Riders can also choose from different handlebar setups, foot peg positions, and exhaust upgrades to tailor the Fury to their style and ergonomics. Aftermarket support remains strong, and the simple frame layout allows DIY customizers to work with ease. Whether you want to go full chopper, add touring features, or just upgrade the exhaust for more growl, the Fury is your blank canvas. Price and competition, value meets attitude. The 2025 Honda Fury 1300 enters the market at a competitive base price of around $13,999 with ABS and additional trims raising the price slightly. Compared to rival cruisers like the Harley-Davidson Softail Standard or Yamaha Bolt R Spec, the Fury holds its own with unique styling, Honda reliability, and a smoother ride feel. Where others rely heavily on heritage, the Fury banks on innovation wrapped in rebellious flair. For riders who want something different, something bold, the Fury is a perfect owl.